Tips and tricks to care for tinnitus. Tinnitus is a common condition that is usually brief. But many people suffer from an extended or severe case of tinnitus and they can be desperate for help. Tinnitus is often cured by a variety of methods, but the effectiveness is based on the individual case and causes. Apply the tips found below to find your most effective way of dealing with it. Seek advice from a doctor if you are suffering from tinnitus. Tinnitus is likely a sign of a different problem that will likely need treatment from a professional. Chronic tinnitus can also be stressful and make it hard to enjoy a normal day. Tinnitus is unlikely to be deadly, but the benefit of seeing a doctor is that it may be treatable. The best way to beat tinnitus is to keep positive and upbeat. A happy person tends to be a healthy person, so staying on the bright side of life can help your whole system be in the best shape possible. Stay around positive people, and enjoy life as much as possible. Many people who have tinnitus find relief from their condition by utilizing sound therapy. There is a simple experiment that you can try to see if sound therapy will help you cope with your tinnitus. Tune your radio between two stations. You should hear a static sound when you have tuned it between stations. If the static sound from the radio masks your tinnitus or makes it less noticeable, partially masks it, then sound therapy will probably help your condition. As revealed above, tinnitus is often a brief and minor annoyance. But there are also people who suffer more severe cases that last for long periods of time. You can often treat tinnitus by trying different tips until you find the one that works for you. Try these tips to find which one gives you relief. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.